Better now? I'm going to hand each of you a mic. Because I'm going
There are so many.
Since there are so many. Here you go.
Thank you.
Good evening and welcome. I don't think the first show for the day 5 could have gone any better, and especially with a gorgeous looking stunner like you in an outfit that is so gorgeous, designed by the both of you. So Dia and Rajveer, if you can talk to you a little bit about your collection, Rosette, and the outfit Malaika has on.
So the collection is called Rosette, and unlike the flower, this time we were more inspired from the color palette that the rose flower has. So it ranges from blush to maroons and marsala, and of course marsala being a very strong color had to end with the showstopper. We've used a lot of old school techniques of embroidery, that's called glass beads, to create the motifs very beautifully, as you can see even on her garment. And yeah, and also the runway had a mix of androgynous fashion with a fab street style and some bold looks. And Malaika's outfit, as far as it's concerned, when we sat to construct it, we were pretty sure that she was the right muse for it. And